There was a time when portable solar panels were more of a novelty than a practical camping tool, but with the rise of green tech and more demand than ever for emergency and off-grid power, they have become a highly effective way to charge a portable generator. Both have become modern essentials for long road trips in an RV and camping. But solar panels can be finicky. They aren't always designed to endure the rigors of the great outdoors. And frankly, some of them simply don't work as well as they should. Unlike the large, heavy solar panels you might install on the roof of your home, RVers need panels that are either compact enough to fit on a vehicle, or portable enough to stow inside. A great RV solar panel, whether foldable or fixed on the roof, needs to deliver effective energy production and feature a rugged design that can handle dust and rain. If you're packing up and hitting the road this summer, we recommend pairing your solar generator with a set of the best RV solar panels. Number 1. Renegy 200 watts 12-volt solar RV kit. This kit has everything you need for easy installation on your RV or camper. It's made specifically for first-time solar panel users, with a straightforward, user-friendly design. For smaller van conversions, you're probably better off with a portable power station, but this is exactly the kit you need for mid-sized vehicles like Sprinter vans or camper trailers and medium-sized RVs where you want the convenience of power going directly to your rig's battery. The two 100-watt solar panels are rigid but relatively lightweight at 18 pounds, and the kit comes with everything you need to mount them. The included charge controller has LED indicators that allow you to monitor charging, which will help you avoid overcharging or, worse, overloading your system. They also alert you to input changes due to weather conditions like rain, clouds, or nightfall. The aluminum frame panels are UV and corrosion resistant to withstand high winds, rain, snow, and blazing heat, so they'll take just about whatever the elements throw at you. For anyone looking to install their first RV solar panels on their own, this kit is an excellent pick. Number 2. Ecoworthy 100 watts 12-volt solar panel. There's nothing fancy about these panels from Ecoworthy, but that's kind of the point. They're exactly what you need if you're looking to set up solar panels on your RV for as little as possible. They're the perfect size for mounting via the pre-drilled mounting holes, and you should be able to fit 3 to 4 of them on most RV rooftops. They come with integrated 35-inch connectors that run into a waterproof junction box, and the whole panel is waterproofed with sealed and tempered glass. They're surprisingly durable for such low-cost panels, too. Once you've got them on your RV roof, however, they should last for years. Number 3. Renegy 100 watts 12 volts flexible RV solar panel. This bendable RV solar panel is great for uneven surfaces like airstreams and vans, or propped up facing the sun at your campsite. It weighs just 4 pounds and can withstand high winds, rain, and snow. The mounting uses silicone adhesive for permanent installation without any drilling. It can flex up to 248 degrees without any micro cracks forming, which is handy for hitting the right angle after midday. Customers like the slim profile of these panels and say the output is great for such lightweight panels. These are best suited for small camper setups or as expansions to larger RV solar energy systems, as just 1 or 2 of these aren't enough for a large RV with a lot of appliances. Number 4. GoZero Nomad 100. GoZero is known for making tough, outdoor-friendly solar gear for camping. Case in point, the Nomad 100 is perfect for pretty much any camping scenario, whether you're charging up your RV or a portable power station. Weatherproof and built like a rock, it's designed with tie-down loops around the frame. These are great for both staking it into the ground or affixing it to your RV rooftop to keep it in place when the wind kicks up. The Nomad 100 folds down to a comparatively small 20 by 15 by 2 inches, it's easy to pack and move around. It draws 100 watts, which is good for its size, but you may need a few of them to fully charge up an RV. To that end, you can daisy chain multiple Nomads without a splitter. That said, its 8mm plug is not universally compatible with all systems and power stations. Many support it, but you may need an adapter if yours has a different port. Number 5. LIUT PV350 Solar Panel. LIUT makes some of the best solar gear in the industry, and the PV350 solar panel is an upscale buy that's worth the investment. It absorbs up to 350 watts per hour, which is huge for a folding panel. At the same time, it's remarkably compact, folding down to a compact 35.6 by 24.1 inches for easy storage. There's a downside, of course it weighs 30 pounds, which may make it tough to set up. You can't beat that size to wattage ratio, though. It's also designed for efficiency. The cells are wired in parallel, rather than in a daisy-chained configuration like you find in most cheaper panels. This allows it to continue collecting power when mostly shaded. Many panels will stop operating if they aren't getting very good coverage. The PV350 is also well built. Nick took one on a trip through the deserts of Utah and Nevada, where it saw no shortage of hard treatment from dust, wind and my own rough handling, but emerged without any major damage. That said, it isn't fully waterproof. You can leave it out through a light drizzle, but avoid charging on rainy days.